Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe an important event you celebrated. You should say what the event was, when did it happen, who attended the event, and explain how did you feel about the event. My older sister's wedding was one significant occasion that I commemorated, and I have a very particular place in my heart for it. Being the oldest kid in our family, my sister's marriage was a significant occasion for all of us, not just for her. About 6 months ago, in November, the wedding took place. The weather was ideal for celebrations because it wasn't too hot or chilly. Because there were so many details to arrange, including the location, cuisine, decor, gowns, and guest lists, we began planning the wedding nearly 2 or 3 months in advance. My parents were tremendously involved in every little detail, as were my uncles and aunts, and I did my best to assist them. A magnificent wedding hall in the center of our city served as the venue for the wedding ceremony. We adorned the lovely location with traditional decorations, fairy lights, and thousands of vibrant flowers. We held a number of little rituals at our house prior to the main wedding day, including the haldi ceremony, Sangeet night, and mehendi event. These were incredibly vibrant gatherings with loads of fun, dancing, music, and delectable food. A professional dance troupe was invited to perform, and I was one of several family members that prepared dance performances. Spending time with friends and cousins and practicing together was a lot of fun. The wedding day was a significant occasion. Our close family members, acquaintances, neighbors, my sister's co-workers, and a few distant relatives who traveled from overseas to bless the couple were among the approximately 500 guests in attendance. Everyone wore exquisite traditional attire, and my sister, the bride, looked magnificent in her wedding gown. Her smile added to her already stunning appearance as she donned a red and gold lehenga and a lot of jewelry. Despite their emotions, my parents were thrilled to see their daughter embark on a new phase of her life. I experienced a range of feelings during the wedding. On the one hand, I was overjoyed because we were celebrating with the people we care about and it was a pleasant occasion. However, following the marriage, my sister and her husband would be relocating to a different place, which made me a little emotional. The idea of not having her around every day made me a little melancholy because we had a room together, many memories, giggles, and even arguments as kids. But witnessing her happiness made me feel better and helped me to appreciate that change is a wonderful aspect of life. I was pleased to have contributed significantly to the event's planning, from liaising with suppliers to greeting attendees. I felt quite pleased and happy when everything happened without a hitch and everyone complimented the preparations. The entire celebration left a lasting impression on my heart, drew our family closer, and produced many memories. I still get a thrill of joy and nostalgia whenever I watch the wedding photos or movies. All things considered, it was among the most exquisite and significant occasions I have ever commemorated in my life, and I will always treasure those recollections. And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video, or in my class.